To upload your own instructor-driven resources into ALEKS and tag them to certain topics or questions, you're first going to navigate into your instructor homepage of the course that you're wanting to upload it to. From there, you're going to use the class tools in the upper right-hand corner to click on the resources. If you're using a McGraw-Hill text, you'll see the McGraw-Hill resources folder listed here, but either way, you'll see the plus new sign right above it. You can either create a folder of all your resources, or you could just jump straight into uploading a resource. On here, you're probably going to want to name it something so that the students will recognize it when they're looking at their resources page. In this case, I'm going to be uploading a combining like terms video. There are other file types that you can upload though. You can upload quite a few different file types, web links, images, text, symbols, graphs, all kinds of stuff. You can either drag and drop a file here, or you can select a file from your computer, or you can use the space down below to insert quite a few other links and images. When you click into this section, you can type and format as needed, but you can also toggle over to the insert. On the insert, you'll be able to insert a link, which is what I will be using, but there's also images, symbols and equations, as well as graphs and molecules. In this case, I'm going to upload a link since I have created a video and uploaded it into YouTube. So if you're uploading your own video, it does have to have a URL. So in this case, I'm going to upload a YouTube video, and I'm going to have the display text say combining like terms video so that the students can easily find what this is linking to. And then when you click insert, you'll notice it becomes a link. From here, you can have a few decisions to make. You can tag this resource as a video for students, and in this case, I'm going to want to do that so they know it's a video that they need to watch. You can also have some display options. You can display this on just the student's resources page, which is in their top left corner in their student menu. They'll see a resources page, and that will list all the resources you make available to them. Or you can link to just specific topics or questions, or you can do both. In this case, I'm going to have them both turned on. When you link to specific topics or questions, you'll see this pop up underneath. From here, you're going to select which topics, questions, videos, or my questions, or assignments in general you want this video to link to. So you can assign it to specific topics. So if you're looking for a specific topic from one of your modules, let's just say that these combining like terms was from chapter 2, and I'm just going to grab something random in here, but let's say that while students are working on these 3 topics, I want them to have that video as a resource. So all I've done is select those 3 topics, and now every time they're working in one of these 3 topics, they'll see this combining like terms video pop up as a resource given to them. You could also switch this to the textbook questions. Same thing, you would select which chapter and which section number that this was pulled from. And again, I'm just pulling in something random, but you can tag textbook questions so that anytime they're working on these 2 specific textbook questions, they would see that video as a resource. And then you can also do that for any of the McGraw-Hill videos, the My Questions that you've created, or you can just do assignments in general. So if you want them to see this every time they're working on chapter 2 homework, you can tag everything on chapter 2 homework and drag and drop it in here. So anytime they're working on chapter 2 homework, they'll see it. And you can click save to save it. You can also preview it to see what it's going to look like. In this case, it's just that link that will link out to the YouTube video.